Hold on to your hats, folks, because this party's about to get wild. Dino, the baller himself, throws a Diddy bash to celebrate his comeback from injury. He introduces Dre, fresh out of the slammer after 2 humiliating years, and trust me, the dude's got a serious soap phobia now. Then, Asia waltzes in, demanding to see Dino's wife, Sky. Apparently they're friends, but Asia's giving off some seriously shady vibes. She insults one of the guys, expecting him to be her personal waiter. Meanwhile, Sky's bragging about Dino's championship team, yeah, right, but Asia calls her out on her hubby being a bench warmer since his injury. And just when you thought it couldn't get any crazier, a seriously sus guy shows up, hitting on both ladies. I'm talking fugly and sketchy. Ladies, don't drink anything he offers. He then questions Sky about Dino's thug friends, and the tension is thick. Sky's got mixed feelings, but Dino sees the whole thing, thinks this player's hitting on his girl, and charges. Boom. Hold on to your hats, folks, because this is a roller coaster. This guy, Dino, is totally losing it. He's all, I'm gonna mess you up, pushing his girl aside like she's nothing. Some random dude tries to escalate, smart move, right? Wrong. Dino clocks him. Sky, bless her heart, steps in, saves the day, sort of. She gets clocked too. Dino's screaming, get out. This is a full-blown brawl waiting to happen. The next day, Sky's at the bank, a cool $253,000 burning a hole in her pocket, for her safety deposit box, not some measly checking account. She's spilling the tea on Dino's crazy, abusive behavior, blaming it on his meds, maybe? But then bam! She's ready to ditch him, kids and all, for a fresh start. She doesn't even want half his fortune, he's that bad. Asia hooks her up with some amazing support, then Sky drops the bomb on her sons, Kareem and Jordan, escape plan activated. Oh, wealthy daddy drama. Kareem's all, millionaires? Nah, abusive dad's a deal breaker, and ditches the whole plan. Dino, well, he's busy apologizing for losing his school, a vacation? A gift? Sky's not buying it. Until, well, let's just say Dino's persistence earns him a swift kick to the curb, metaphorically and, oh, maybe literally. Poor Sky. The escape plan? Genius. Kids bundled, car stolen, Dino's left sputtering. A countryside meal's next, but that leech Asia? No money, no mercy. Sky leaves a voicemail that's way more exciting than a bank transfer. Run, Sky, run. Hold on to your hats, folks, because this is a roller coaster. Sky, a mom on a shoestring budget, lands in a Georgia town, think charming, but cheap hotel, with her kids. They're less than thrilled, but hey, mom's got a limited budget. While the kids are grabbing a bite, she bumps into Ivy, a stripper with a sixth sense for trouble. Sky's all, I'm fine, just peachy. Yeah, right. Ivy sees through her act, offering help. Meanwhile, backstabbing Asia's off having a fantastic time with Dino, completely ignoring Sky's calls. Turns out, Dino's affection left Sky with a broken back. The hotel's giving Sky the boot at 10 a.m. Breakfast for the kids first, then, panic. The receptionist's back, and Sky's completely out of options, begging for more time. Hold on to your hats, folks, because this is a roller coaster. A woman, initially doubtful, gets a hotel room extension, a few bucks for the kids sweetens the deal. Then, bam, she's all glammed up as a stripper, hitting the club for some fast cash. The hustle's tough, but she walks away grinning, pockets jingling with loot. Next day, fancy breakfast for the boys. But wait, brotherly drama. One son's thrilled, the other spills the beans about a call to dad, a money plea. Mom's not happy, and Kareem's phone gets a serious confiscation. Meanwhile, Dino's got Asia on the grill, about quitting and that missing money. A voicemail from Sky seals the deal, literally. Asia's trunk bound. Dino's hunting Sky, Dre's on the search. Noon strikes, Sky rushes back to her room, only to find it ransacked. Suspicions fly. Could dad be behind this chaos? Hold on to your hats, folks, because this is a wild ride. That evening, a mom, fiercely believing a fresh start is just what her boys need, scoots them off to Atlanta. Road trip. Next morning, bam, she's at this Asia's place, remember her? Telling her kids, new names, new lives, new digs, once Asia coughs up the cash. Seriously, I'd have ratted Asia out. That was Sky's money. Anyway, Mercedes, the receptionist, sweet as pie, lets her in. Then Justice, the big boss, takes over, and Mercedes is giving off major side-eye. I don't blame her, Justice is smooth. Sky, after her little chat, and I use that term loosely, follows Justice. She's hesitant, understandably so, about revealing everything. But Justice's pep talk works. Sky spills the beans. Justice promises to protect her, but twist. Allo's now onto something. Hold on to your hats, folks, because this is a roller coaster. Sky's money woes with Asia? Less than Sky's bank account showed. What a rip-off. Dino, the man, wants his woman and his cash, same night. Meanwhile, the kids are playing with mom's wig. Talk about a chaotic household. Then bam, Asia calls, Dino's arrested, for kidnapping her, apparently. The nerve of this woman. She claims Dino took all the money, but guess what? $100,000 is chilling on her nightstand. Asia, total trifling, a real asshole. Kareem bails, but Jordan, that sweet kid, hugs his mom. Sky's heartbroken but finds faith, praying for a miracle. Next day, she meets Justice, a real knight in shining armor, who wants to help her get a job, get on her feet. Turns out, she didn't finish college, married young, but wants to be a dentist. Now that's ambition. Sparks were flying between Sky and Justice. His legal jargon sounded like sweet nothings to her. But then bam, jealous Mercedes bursts in, throwing major shade. Sky, totally unbothered by that drama queen. Next thing you know, Sky's knee-deep in dental meetings, hitting the books, sparring with Justice, the cute kind, and mastering self-defense. Then, poof, Mercedes is snooping in Sky's room. Turns out, Miss, I've seen your type before, thinks Sky's up to no good. Sky, ever the queen, shuts her down faster than you can say objection. Calling Mercedes hired help is an understatement. She's the shadiest character this side of a Tyler Perry movie. And when Mercedes insults her kids? Let's just say a knockout was this close before Justice and the kids stepped in to prevent a full-blown brawl. Hold on to your hats, folks, because Justice ejects Mercedes faster than you can say guilty. Then, he gives Sky a pep talk, anger management, darling. Think stable job, think new life. Later, bam, self-defense lessons with the awesome Monica. Things get intense, a surprise attack. But Monica's moves? Pure magic. Sky's learning fast, folks. Then, Justice invites Sky over, gasp, for a place to stay. Sweet digs. A hug ensues. But wait, there's more. Justice's Mr. Nice guy persona nearly gets him a smooch. But Sky's got standards. She's like, whoa there, Tiger, I need my space. Justice chimes in, dropping the bomb, no workplace romances. You are my first. Sky's smitten, but playing it cool. I like you, but I gotta get my act together first. The suspense is killing me. Girl, I would have jumped on that fine man ages ago. Dre hits Atlanta, reunites with his uncle Justice. Talk about a happy family reunion. That evening, Sky chills with Jordan, then boom, she gifts him some seriously sweet Jordans. He's ecstatic, but the mystery deepens. Kareem's Mia. Meanwhile, Mercedes is sleuthing Sky's real name. Talk about a plot twist. Dre, meanwhile, is busy tempting Sky with protein shakes from his bed. Dino, under house arrest but still chasing Sky and the loot, loses his cool with Dre when he gets no info, giving him 48 hours to deliver. Mercedes then uncovers Sky's true identity at work. This bad-built butch body, better watch out. Jordan's gaming with Justice, while Kareem, sneaky little weasel, bolts after dinner with his phone. Justice then snuggles up with Sky, his culinary skills earning him major brownie points, until Kareem's bad attitude crashes the party. Things heat up, way up, when Sky invites Justice to share her bed. Kiss attempt number 2, almost works, but then, bam, Sky discovers Kareem's been AWOL. Turns out, Mr. Sneaky Pants was on a call with Dino. Police station trip the next day. Sky's furious, until Kareem spills the beans about missing his dad. Whoa, emotional rollercoaster. Suddenly, mom's got empathy. Hugging ensues. Though, let's be real, maybe Kareem just misses the money. Dude needs therapy. Later, Mercedes explodes at Justice, leaving Sky wondering what that was all about. Hold on to your hats, folks, because this is a roller coaster. There's some seriously messy history between Mercedes and Justice. Apparently, she was the aggressor, forcing herself on him. Sky, bless her heart, finds out and loses it, ready to unleash righteous fury on Mercedes. Justice steps in, but Sky's still fuming, thinking he's been hiding a major truth. Then, bam, Mr. Nice Guy shows up, and things go from 0 to 60 real fast. Dino bursts in, grabs the kids, and Nick's not far behind, creating absolute chaos. Dino throws Sky around like a rag doll, and Justice, ever the hero, jumps in to save the day, but Dino's a tough nut to crack, almost choking Justice. This family drama is wilder than a clown car at a rodeo.